In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about the Orbot Vibe and how it works for residential carpet cleaning. We'll talk about the Vibe, we'll talk about Microfiber Glide bonnets, as well as Encap-Punch for residential carpet cleaning, so stay tuned. Today we're going to talk about cleaning with the Orbot Vibe and a Microfiber Glide on residential carpet. A lot of times here on Encap TV we mostly focus on commercial, but I wanted to show you how practical the Vibe is with the Microfiber Glide, bonnet, and Encap-Punch for residential carpet cleaning. So stay tuned and we'll get right into that. So we'll start by mixing 8 ounces per gallon of Encap-Punch. It's CRI approved and it works extremely well on bonnet cleaning applications such as we're doing right here. So we're going to put in 2 of my 16-ounce measures here because I got 4 gallons of solution. So mix up our solution and we'll get to work. I just want to run through some of the features of the Orbot Vibe machine with you. You've got this pigtail with a quick disconnect cable, which is kind of nice to be able to, wrap your cord, make it easier to get in and out. You've got this handle that adjusts the height of your handle, so you just pop that out, drop it to wherever you like it, height-wise. Here's your spray switch right here, and your power switch. So you got your power switch and your spray switch. So that's how that works. Now if we pull around the front of the machine, you can see that it's got this nice little rest down at the base where you can rest the machine. And then as you tip it forward, you've got your handles here on the front, and it just pivots, as you can see right there, as it's going over the carpet. It's going to pivot. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and put our bonnet on the carpet. I've got the bottom of this bonnet damp, so I'll put the damp side down and then just simply bring the machine up over it. So let's see how this works as we fire it up and begin to clean carpet. So we hit the power switch and then we begin to spray. Now normally I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to get a wet pass and then I'll pull it back and make a dry pass. As you can see, we have a little bit of a light whitening on the surface. That's real nice. That's kind of what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and clean the whole room now and give you an idea of what we're going to do. So here I am making a wet pass going down the right side of the room, holding my solution valve the whole way. And then I'm going to make a dry pass coming back. Kind of nudge into the corner here, make sure I get everything. Again, another wet pass. Followed by a dry pass. And it's just that simple. Now with the microfiber bonnet that we're using, the Glide bonnet, it's safe enough for this Saxony carpet. It's not going to mess it up. It's great when you're working with a cut pile carpet like this. You're not going to end up with any fiber distortion, typically. Now there is a glide that you can use with your bonnets if you're using like super Zorbs or any type of bonnet that might dig into the carpet a little more. You could use a glide. Again, my wet pass as I go. My wet pass is a little bit faster. And then my dry pass, go back over the same pass just a little bit slower. If it's exceptionally soiled, I can make a couple of dry passes. This looks like where the sofa used to be, so I'm going to add a little bit more juice right in through here. Kind of go over it a little bit more. Just give it a little bit more of a tension right in this area. We have a 40 psi pump on this machine, and it really puts out a nice volume of spray. It's kind of on the high side, I would say, truthfully, so you can go kind of quick on your wet pass. but it's a good amount, especially on this thicker carpet. This is a pretty dense carpet. Also notice how quiet the Vibe is. It's not putting out a lot of sound. It's a very smooth machine. You'll notice the vibration. It's just ultra smooth. There's not much vibration. It's very quiet. So again, I go back over my wet pass with another dry pass much slower, because that's really where I'm pulling the soil into the bonnet. Now I am using Encap-Punch, so I'm cleaning with the absorption into the bonnet as well as the encapsulation process, because Encap-Punch is actually more in line with a pre-spray that encapsulates. It's CRI approved and it works extremely well. Low foaming, perfect for bonnet cleaning. Every once in a while on your dry pass, like you just saw me do, I might give a little bit more of a squirt if it looks like it just needs a little extra juice. It's nice having the on-demand solution so you can apply a little extra when you need it. If you were to pre-spray this room and then bonnet clean it, or use an orbital machine that doesn't have a solution system like we have here, it's kind of hard to, on the fly, adjust how much solution you're using. Now again, this is the threshold coming in off the front door, so I'm going to kind of give that a little extra scrubbing. This is a major, regular walk area here, so it's a little bit more traffic. You can tell it's kind of matted down a little bit more. We did pre-vacuum this carpet before we started. It's cleaning up nicely. It wasn't a heavily soiled carpet, as you can see, but it really does a nice job because it lifts the pile with the orbital action, and it's really going to leave this carpet in a perfect condition, ready for people to get back on. It's going to dry quickly. Normally dries in under 2 hours, so it'll be back in use quickly. They'll be able to get back on their carpet. Low moisture. Again, keep in mind we're using 2 modes of cleaning on this carpet. Absorption into the microfiber bonnet. Microfiber is a great cleaning fabric. And then we're also working with an encapsulation detergent, so whatever might still be there can be post-vacuumed out of the carpet during normal routine vacuuming. So in just a few minutes I was able to knock out this entire living room. So I think we did a good job on this carpet. Overall it's cleaned up nicely. As you can see, it's really a smooth, clean appearance. Just going to run over it one last time real quick through this traffic lane and see what else I can maybe pull into the bonnet, but I'm pretty pleased with the results of what we're seeing here. Really smooth, clean appearance. As I mentioned, it wasn't a really trashed carpet, but cleans up really easy. And with the Microfiber Glide bonnet, it's safe for this carpet. Again, the Encap-Punch is CRI approved, so it's a great combination for these residential jobs. We're seeing more and more carpet cleaners approaching residential carpet care using the Orbot Vibe as their machine. And with a safe product like these Glide bonnets and our Encap-Punch, it really is an excellent combination. So to remove excess solution after the job is done, we got this cool little feature on the Vibe where we can capture our solution into a bucket after the job is done. Just one more neat little thing that they added to the Vibe machine. So hopefully this will help you see some ways to use the Orbot Vibe to open a door for residential carpet cleaning that you might not have thought about. Now it's true, hot water extraction is still an awesome way to clean residential carpet. However, there is a growing trend in the industry to explore low moisture options. And when it comes to low moisture residential carpet cleaning, the Vibe is a practical machine because it can cross over between commercial and residential. Now when you take the Vibe, which is a very reasonably priced, easy to work with, smooth running orbital machine, and you put it together with Encap-Punch, which is a pre-spray and a bonnet cleaner that's an encapsulation product. So you're going to be using a CRI approved bonnet cleaner, which is going to pull soil into our Microfiber Glide bonnet. Soft bonnet, it's not going to damage carpet, but it's going to pull an awful lot of soil because that's the nature of microfiber. It actually will channel soil into the actual fiber, grabbing a lot of soil as we clean. So when you put that together, the absorption as well as encapsulation using Encap-Punch provides a very viable low moisture method for residential carpet cleaning. So hopefully this will open up a door for you to explore and help you max your end cap, because really that's what we're here to do at Excellent Supply. We want to help you explore ways to be more efficient when it comes to end cap cleaning. Thank you for watching this episode of NCAP TV. Please hit the like button, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that. And until next time, thanks for watching.